What's up, sneaker fam? It's your boy McFly, the hardest working man in shoetainment today, coming at you again with another real review. If this is your first time over here in the land of McFly, man, I welcome you. I appreciate you stopping by. Be sure to subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell to keep you up to date with everything that I got going on. Also, feel free to leave a like, drop a comment in the comment section, man. I greatly appreciate it. Interaction goes a long way on this YouTube platform. Currently on the road to 5K, trying to get that done by the end of the year, man. So if everybody sub up, we'll be golden. Also, subscribe to E-Money Shoes 313 Retro Queen and the Who Has the Heat Sneaker Battle channel. All the links for everything will be in the description below. You can just hit the little arrow down to the description. It'll tell you everything you need to know, where you need to be, where you need to go, and how you need to go about going. You know what I'm saying? Straight up. So today we got part 2 of the Social Status Penny 2 pack. Y'all see we got the white university pair on deck now, man. These dropped earlier this week on Nike, but I paid for these like a week ago from Social Status, and it just took them forever to get here. But still, shout out to Social Status. Happy to have this shoe. Happy to have completed this little 2-way pack. If you haven't seen my review on the black pair, you can go check that out after you're done with this one, or you can go watch that one and come back to this one, or whatever, as long as you watch them both. That's all that really matters to me, man. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? So, let me know in the comments below, man, how you guys felt about these pairs. It seemed to be a lot of people sleeping on them. I mean, the big sizes are going pretty quick, but it seems as if the smaller sizes are sitting, or people just not feeling these. You're not really into the mashup on the OGs, or you're just not a fan of the Tar Heel Nation. Shout out to Tar Heel Nation, by the way. Woo woo! You know what I'm saying? We played, who was that? Charleston State last night, got that dub, man, but it was a little ugly. It was a little ugly at first, but it is what it is, man. To get into the review, this box was actually themed after a little Penny doll. If you know anything about Penny Hardaway in the early 90s, he was one of the biggest names in basketball, and he also had like a doll that was kind of like an alter ego, and Little Penny had commercials and all this other stuff. Like Little Penny was a big deal, and at one point they started selling the dolls. I even had a Little Penny doll, and the box kind of mimics the Little Penny doll. So Social Status has the Playground series. They've been doing their thing with that, with the pennies. So they did the penny ones, now they got the penny twos. It is what it is. Let me know in the comments how you feel about the shoe. Did you cop these? Are you going to cop these at some point, or is it just not your flavor? For me, I was all in. Being a Charlotte native and a Tar Heel fan, this was an absolute no-brainer for me. I actually didn't own any penny twos until these two dropped, so there it is. You already know. But to get into the review, we'll start with that outsole, that black and that Carolina blue. Woo! Yeah, this is amazing. So amazing. You see the Zoom Air as well as the Nike swoosh. Here on the heel, you see that Social Status logo right in there. You see it? You see it right there? Right there. Right. You see it, right? Okay, cool. Just making sure. You got your visible air unit with the black lines in it. Then you have your little foam that wraps around the whole deal. Like I said in the last video, I hate these little dots. I can't stand them. But shoe is fire, right? Wrapping around to the heel, you got that blue portion there, Carolina blue swoosh, black little pull tab, finishing it off. And you see it continues to wrap around there. Yeah, little shank plate action. See it? Yeah, carbon fiber. For you scratch folks, I don't know why people do that, but they do. Now the upper is this sail, and it's a nubuck up here on your upper. It's not really white, it's a beigeish sail color as well. You have your Carolina blue and some hits of gray. Social Status branding here with the Nike swoosh going through the Social Status logo. This shoe came with white laces in it. I took the Carolina blue lace from the black one and put it in this one. You see your little gray trim around. That trim is 3M. If you don't know what 3M means, that means 3M reflective, as well as a little nod right there. Put those laces in. Nubuck sail tongue coming up. Then you have your Carolina blue hint with your 1 cent sign. Pull tab right there. The interior on this sock liner is gray. The shoe came with several pairs of laces. You've got a sail lace, which it makes sense for these. Why they put those in the blacks, I don't know. You got a white lace, which the shoe came with white laces in it. So that didn't really make sense. And then you've got that gray lace. I put the white lace that we took out in the bag with it, but you've got that bluish gray lace in that joint too. You got a black insole in there with your baby blue Nike swoosh on that joint. It's a solid pair of kicks, man. I think this shoe is crazy fire. Also, let me know in the comments which lace swap you like better? Do you like the baby blue, or do you like the gray in the shoe? I'll actually put a little snippet in here for the 3M so you guys can see how that's popping. This up here reflects as well in the trim going throughout. Very, very, very solid, very nice shoe. Decent quality on it. Since it's that beige color, they don't look as ashy as the black ones do. And hopefully they'll hold up a little better against dirt and whatever else. But gray lace, yeah. So like I said, man, let me know in the comments below how you guys are feeling about these joints. You know, I bought them, so I like them. As far as going into the fit, man, I'd recommend going at least a half size up if you can. I was trying to hunt a size 15, but I couldn't get my hands on it, so I got the 14, just like I did in the black joints. They fit, but I'm kind of up in the front of the shoe, so that 15 would have gave me a little more space that I like to have. I don't like to be right up in the nose or front of the shoe, if you will, when I wear my shoes. So if you can get a half size up, definitely go a half size up. You can go true to size, but you're gonna fill it up. You know what I mean? That's what I'm saying. As far as comfort goes, it's a pretty comfortable shoe. I'd give it like probably like a C plus, maybe a B minus on the comfort of the shoe. It does have Zoom Air, and it also does have air units in it, making, you know, for a pretty comfortable shoe for those people in the know. But yeah, that's pretty much all I got to say about the shoe. It's fire. I'm happy to have it. I don't know how you guys felt about it, but you know the on foot's coming. So we definitely on footing these so you guys can get an on foot look. Don't forget to leave your opinions below and all that good stuff, man. And until I upload the next one, it's your boy McFly, man. I'll holler at you.